Welcome back to another video, guys. So I am going to do part 2 to the Born Pretty haul. If anybody wants to see part 1, I will leave it below. So my second package has turned up with the rest of it in. So shall we have a nosy? So I'll start with these, guys. Look at these. So these are acrylic 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, there's 10 in this collection. Let me just zoom you in a bit. I'll open the red one. I've seen a few Instagram reels of people using these. So you give them a good shake. And yeah, they have got acrylic. You can use these on anything as well. And these ones have got a really fine... Yeah, they've got a really fine pointy nib. So let me just get something. So to get it to work, you have to squeeze it a few times, press it down, and can you see the ink coming up now? So I'll just press it once more. Oh, I shouldn't have got a red. Let me get a nail tip. I don't know if this will work because it's shiny, but look at that, how fine that nib is. And you can just do little nail arts with it. Isn't that cool? So yeah, there's 10 colours in this one. Yeah, so we've got your black, your white, your gold and your silver. Then we've got your rainbow colours. Yellow, red, green, blue. And then we've got a pink and a purple. I love them. I can't wait to do something with them. I really like them. I'm going to have to zoom you out a bit. Right, and also, sticking with acrylic marker pens, I went on a binge with acrylic marker pens. I got these ones. These are all from Born Pretty. So these are the same thing. These come in a little fancy pants case. But these ones are glitter acrylic paint. Yeah, exactly the same thing, but glitter ones. So, and again, these have got a little tiny pointed nib. Should we get some of this one out? Let's get this again and see if we can colour this love heart in. See, you need to have a matte surface really to get best results from these. I'd use them on a matte nail. I think these are so cool. Look at that. I love that. I'm going to have so much fun with these. And this one is a pack of 12. So we've got just your plain colour acrylic pens, your glitter colour acrylic pens. Are you ready? And we've also got metallic. These ones are even more special because they've got the marker pen on one end like these, but on the other end they have got a brush. Oh my gosh. So let's get one of these out. Yeah, look. This one's got a fine nib on that end, and this end it's got a brush. Yeah, these ones are metallic. You don't have to shake these ones. Oh wow, look at this. Super metallic. And let's have a look at the brush end. Let's see what the brush end does. Oh wow. So with this brush end, you could use just the point of it and do really thin lines, couldn't you, like that? Or you could press down and do thicker lines. Or you could just colour the nail in, completely colour it in. Couldn't you? Just colour the nail in. Oh, let's just paint over that one. I've done it now. Look at this. I love it. These are going to be so much fun. Just looks like chrome. Yep, so we've got the normal acrylic, the glitter shimmery one, and metallic. So we've got a gold, a silver. It's even got a white, blue, green, orange, pink, purple. So they're cool, aren't they? I love them. Right, what else have we got? Quickly, the rest of it now, guys, is stickers, really. I got myself some tools. I just wanted a set that was all matching. There is 3 more of these coming, and they didn't have them in stock. So I've got the nippers coming, and another 2 of these, I think. So for now, I've just got the tiny little short pointy scissors. They've got the Born Pretty branding on them. I love the chameleon colour, love that. And then I got this cuticle pusher scraper thing. Shall I open it? Oh gosh, this is heavy. And again, it's got the branding. This is beautiful. I love this cuticle pusher as well, because it's thin. Some of them are quite thick at the end. And then it's got this little sharp hooky thing. I haven't got one like this. I love that. And I got some, I'm not going to open these because you can see what they are. Again, it's got the Born Pretty on it. So these are the nippers. These feel heavier than some of the cheap ones I've got. They do feel heavier. I hope they are better quality than the cheap ones that you can get. I really like them. So I got them. Right, yeah, everything else now is stickers and stamping plates. Let me show you the stamping plates first. So this is Christmas L010. Bit late now. I'll have to use these next year. So this one, oh, I remember this one. So this is a layering plate. So you can stamp the Christmas presents in one colour, and then stamp the outline and the ribbon in another colour. Same with this star. You can stamp it and then stamp the other colour. We've got this garland. You can stamp that bit and then stamp the colour over the top. Again with the sweet. You can have the sweet in 2 colours. Yeah, I liked this because it's got the layering. It's got the little mitts that you can do layer up. A wreath, Christmas hat. I like this. We've got balloons. Yeah, that's a cute plate, isn't it? Cool. And this one is L001. This is a Valentine's one. I got this specifically for this look. She's got the magnet, and she's got hold of him by his heart with the magnet. I love this as well. The writing, love you. I do like this. I like this one a lot. Me plus you equals love. That's cute. Love this one though. That would be nice for Valentine's, not so far away. Right, now, finally, we've just got stickers left. So I'm going to get through these as quick as I can. So these came in a pack of 4, and they are all white, pure white snowflakes. So this one's full of all different sizes and shapes of snowflakes. We've got ho, ho, ho everywhere as well. And then this one again is all snowflakes. I like that. I like some of these because they're cut off. So you could hang these off the side of a nail without having to cut them yourself. Again, this one, all different shapes and sizes of snowflakes and snow dots. And lastly, this one's got a little reindeer on it. Again, can you see the snowflakes, how they've been halved? So you could have them hanging off the side of a nail. This one's got baubles, love hearts. I really like them. You can never have enough white snowflakes, can you? For quick last minute nails. Right, next for stickers. This one came in a pack of 6. These are so much nicer in real life than what they are on the website. So they've all got this gold trim. I like these stars again. You could put them on half a nail. Yeah, these are really, really nice. And this one, I like these. The Christmas presents. Green snowflakes. Cute. Oh, this one's cute. Look at the little mittens. I like these with the little gold trim. They're really cute. Tiny little bits of gold on the presents. And candy cane. I really like these. Again, we've got this one. They've all got that gold trim. Aren't they cute? I love this. Look, it's got pink reindeers. The snowman's got a pink scarf. Pink baubles, pink presents. I like this little pink reindeer. He's cute. That's a nice one. And lastly, this one. Cute. Yeah, these are so much nicer in real life than what they looked on the website. I'm really happy with them. So yeah, that was a pack of 6. Next is these ones. These are glow in the dark. Let me see if I can show you. Oh wow, they do glow. Look at them. They glow crazy. Oh, I've got to use them. I've not done my Christmas nails yet. I've got to use them. They glow like crazy. Yeah, I've definitely got to use them. Wow. That's crazy. I love them. They are so cool. I wasn't expecting them to shine that bright. I really like them. Right, and lastly for the Christmas stickers, these were all single packs. They didn't come in a pack of 4 or anything. I got these ones. These are like cartoon style ones, aren't they? Ho, 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 hot chocolate. I love hot chocolate in winter. They're cute. And then this one. This one's got little gonky gonks on it, look. Gonk, gonk. Another gonk, another gonk. That's cute as well. This one I like. I love this twig with all the little stockings hanging off it. The reindeer. I like this holly. You could have half and half on an... Oh look, little Bow Wow, little dog. That's random. I like these gonks. And these Santa Claus. And then lastly out of them ones, is it? Yeah, we've got these ones with little penguins. Oh, we've got Happy New Year on these. Happy New Year, cool. Right, and lastly, these are Halloween stickers. I actually have already got these and I used both of these this year. And I loved them and I used these little pink skulls this year. And I think there's only 3 or something. Or is it 2, 3 on this sheet. So I really wanted more because I loved them. And I used the little cute and the boo off this sticker. So I wanted another sheet of these. So I grabbed a couple of those whilst I could. I love them. Aggie Halloween. Anyway guys, that is it for today. A shit ton of stickers and a shit ton of acrylic nail art pens. I will leave links to everything below. If there's anything missing, just let me know and I'll grab it for you. But yeah, please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care, bye.